But the son and the daughter, either daughter-in-law, either son-in-law, they are not allowed. See, request everybody, if you are interested, you have a desire to do for the society, if you want to do any special thing for the society, you just come here. That can be good for you. Last journey, it should be special to everybody. I request everybody at least to do anything else in the last journey. It's a very golden chance to everybody. You can do for your society. What I'm going to tell you, that mostly in the family members, they are interested to give you the very high protein food. Do you know that those are the martial art, they are not taking the mutton and chicken. So the family members, they are interested to give you mutton and chicken. Mostly I have seen that the parents, son and daughter, they are interested, mother please take mutton, take chicken, take fish. See, when you are crossing the 60, either 70, why are you interested to take the mutton and chicken? You just take the fresh vegetable. And vegetarian if you be, then that can be good for your good health. When we are crossing the 40, 45, either 50, and most of our parents, either grandpa, either grandma, either from the 50 crossing, they are facing number of problems. And why I am giving a details about it, you know, that we are ready to give them the best quality service. Mainly we have a plan, and it's going on last long years, and we are giving a best quality service. Those are facing number of problem in their family. Suppose the daughter-in-law, she is not very cooperative. Whenever our mother, either grandpa, either grandmom, they are facing problem, we are requesting everybody, kindly come here, and we are giving the best quality hospitality. You just see our quality service. If you come over here, you will get the very good cooperative. All the, do you know that those are making food, those are giving service, they will be your best friend to you. I'm sure that you will enjoy over here. And not only it, mainly, do you know that if you stay here, you will contact with your family members, and if you stay here, you will get do you know that your number of new friends where you will enjoy. And next one, that food quality. Mainly, do you know that whenever we are crossing 50, either 40, either 65, either 70, we are not getting the proper time our food in our family members, and due to they are also the busy their own jobs, so called that whenever we are crossing 50, 55, then we are started to face the problem. Request everybody, come here, join with us, join here, you will get a best quality hospitality. See that we are giving the last long days, our service is going on. Number of people, they are coming from the Maharashtra, from Uttar Pradesh, from Uttarakhand, from the Andhra. Those yet not watching our video, I request everybody, share my video with your seniors. If they are interested to come, you just contact the number and description box, you can follow. Number of people, they are coming here, they are getting good quality service. No need to pay here large amount donation. We are not taking large donation. If you want to stay here long time, that is different case. And next one, that the health care, we are giving the quality health care. Suppose you are facing problem, your health not permit to move one to another place, you will get a quality health checkup. Next one, that the cooperation with those are making food, those are the housemate, those are the, do you know that they are always giving service, security person. And see that we are not giving us such a security that you will always stay inside the room. You just come here and see, you will enjoy here. It's a very large place where you can move one to another place. At the right side, the playground, where you will see, you can watch out the play, you can watch out the youngsters, they are playing. And next one, that if you stay in your room, with your family members, see there are many binding over there, that when you will be a 50 crossing, you can be a burden to your family members. If you 65, either 70, you can be burden to your family members, it's sure. So you just come here and stay at least 1 month. If you see our hospitality, if you see here, it's a very boundless. You can stay here long time. I'm not requesting you to stay here long time, to be a life membership. You first stay here only 1 month, then think, will you stay here long time or not? Next one, see that most of the places, do you know that they are the tight discipline. I'm not telling anything else that about discipline. Discipline is depend on you. We are not giving any discipline that you have to stay inside the room, you have to don't go outside without inform us, you don't go anywhere. No, you can go anywhere. You just see the village people, their simplicity, their possibility, their, do you know that the such a affection, their, do you know, their love. It's impossible to explain. You just come here and see our quality management. Next one, that the food preparation in the morning. If you are interested to make your preparation, the help your, it means in our housemates, if you are interested to help them, you can help. You can cooperate with them. You can stay. You can enjoy with them. And next one, see why we are interested to move from our family members. Only one, we are facing loneliness. So if you want to overcome from your loneliness, please come here. Stay here at least 1 month. See, and next one, that you know the most of the cases in our family member, we are not getting chance to move spiritual visit anywhere. If I want to go anywhere, then I have to tell my son, I have to tell my daughter, I have to tell my daughter-in-law, I have to tell my son-in-law. Means there are number of burdens over there. But if you stay here, no burden. You can enjoy anywhere. You can stay here, and then in the morning you can start your morning work. And after morning work you can take the breakfast. After breakfast you can go anywhere. That would be best for you. But you know, as a human being, if you be a burden to your family, then what will you do? There is no chance to do anything else. You have a desire, you have a willing to do anything else, but there is no chance. So request everybody, come and enjoy at least 1 month in countryside. The countryside people, their simplicity, their disciplined life, such a discipline where you will get the affection, you will get the love. One, I am coming to tell you that when you are crossing 50, 55, suppose your health not permit to do anything else to your family members, they think that you are burden. So request everybody, you don't be burden to your family member. You come here, stay here, enjoy your last life, last journey. I request everybody, I am not giving any means in the tight discipline here. I want to give you that such a place where if you stay here, you can see it's called the ancient word Banposto life. That would be best for your everybody. So those are unable to do physically, they can come also. I request everybody that you suppose your health not permit to do anything else, they also can come here. Number of boys and girls, they are from very poor family. They need, do you know, they need such a quality education. We are unable to give them proper education. Suppose you are very good, say that do you know, birds, they are calling us. So we will get a sound. Birds are speaking such a their language. Next one, it's not the artificial. I am giving a video. It's original, and where I am sitting, you will enjoy here. And right side, where will you stay? And then the behind me, where the food preparing. And the left side, you can work morning, evening you can work out. Right, the very good playground. Their left side, number of girls, they are living here, and we are providing the education, free education, where you can participate. Very golden chance for you. Next one, here number of boys are very, do you know, very countryside, and they are very poor, extreme poor. They can't provide their education. So you can participate here. You have a good knowledge. Suppose you are a very literate person. So you already do you know that you earn money, and you already given a very good education. So last journey, if you share your knowledge, if you give your education, share your education with our means in the countryside, simple poor villagers, it can be good for you. It would be good for your society. That is the reason I am requesting everybody, please come, stay here, enjoy your last journey. We always try to give you best quality service. I want to enjoy with you. Are you interested to enjoy? Come here, contact, follow description box. Thank you everybody. Thank you.